In today's video, we are going to show you how to become a creator on Fanvue. Now, if you are looking to start sharing your content and wanted to earn on Fanvue, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, first things first, log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click the Become a Creator. This is super important because you will be forwarded to the section that says verify and start earning. All right, I want you to click that green button. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to the first tab, okay, which is start earning. Now, if in case you got some referral code from a friend or a colleague, you might want to put it here, okay? Now, let's say I'm going to put in a specific code, type it in, and click the continue button. And of course, you need to select the residency. It's a very important, okay? Because you're not going to be able to change the location, and click the continue button. Now, this is important as well to select your creator type. If you plan on using the AI creator to generate your content, select the first option. But if you are a human creator that you wanted to create things by yourself, click the second option, and I want you to click the continue button. Here, you need to make sure to select the appropriate content for age type or for your audiences. Is it going to be like mature content or general content, which is suitable for all audiences of all ages? Click the continue button. Now you need to create your name and handle. If you don't have it yet, just click the skip for now. And of course, you need to provide your subscriptions price. Now, if you don't have it, skip it again. It's okay. And the last thing is to verify your identity to become a creator on Fanvue and start earning. Now, what will happen is, as you may notice, you will be forwarded to almost last step, which is verifying your information by switching to your phone, scan the QR code, and copy the link. Or if you want to try another method, which is providing a mobile number, put in the SMS code and click the send button. It's super simple because once you've done that, what will happen is you'll be able to start creating and monetizing your content on Fanvue because you're officially now a creator. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to become a creator on Fanvue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.